2433 Richmar. We have a satellite dish on the back. That's the main street right there. Probably need to add some rocks here. Definitely trim back those bushes so you can actually walk on the sidewalk. Rekey this door. These are all standard items so far. So rekey this door, and this door. So that's 4 doors to rekey. Get a blind here. Repaint. This is tile at the entry. Seems to be in fine condition. So you can keep it. Nice additional storage area. Okay, so it looks like there may have been a leak. They've redone some of the piping here. Looks pretty straightforward. We'll see if they include that information in the seller's disclosure. No lights turned on in here. So right at the front and off the garage you have a coat closet and a powder room. Really easy, cheap to replace that ring in there. Wallpapers, gotta go. So this is blind number 2. These handles don't match. So I'll go ahead and count the doors. I'm not gonna count the rekey because that's gonna change anyway when you put the landlord locks on. 1, 2. This is different. It's a bifold door. This tile looks like the tile at the front of the house, and it seems to be in fine condition. No reason to mess with that. This tile seems to be in fine condition as well. No reason to mess with that either. About $200 to replace this. That can easily be replaced. That's about another $200. There's some wear and tear on the cabinets, but only these. The rest of them look fine, but I think you're going to have to repaint them. Also remove the wallpaper. And at the same time, just remove anything that dated. Replace the verticals. That's pretty standard. This is the side of the house that's going to get sun all morning, all day, all evening. We almost always remove screens. Maybe consider keeping them in this situation. We want to make sure the door opens easily. Door number 3, door number 4. Remove this probably. Door number 5, door number 6. Pull up this carpet. It looks like they just laid it down so it could be financed. It's not really laid down, it's just kind of sitting. And put in some tile at about $5 a square foot. Again, easy to replace. I think we might want to replace the sinks. I'm not sure. A little bit of damage here to the mirror, but it may be okay. Cabinets look fine. 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, so 6 doors downstairs, and now I'm going to count the blinds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, including the 2 windows at the front. Carpet's $1.50. It's about $1.50 a square foot. So it's pretty inexpensive to replace. I don't believe these windows need blinds, but that's the property manager's call. So I'm going to start counting the blinds and door handles upstairs. 1. This does not have a light kit. We could add that on. We also need to make sure there's smoke detectors throughout the property. Sorry, it's hard to breathe through the mask. Okay, we're at 1. 2. I believe it's just 2 windows. This fan seems fine. Obviously the carpet needs to go and it's going to be repainted. That slid nicely, and there's a closet rod. For door handles upstairs, we have 1, 2, 3. Upstairs, we need to add some sort of hardy backer material underneath the tiles, so that's another $1.50 per square foot. It's about $6.50 square foot, but that's only for the wet areas. The carpet's still $1.50 upstairs. Okay, that's that. I will just point out these lights are yellowish looking and the recessed cans are yellowish looking, and they do have a dated look. So the property manager will decide if those need to be replaced. The repaint and freshening up the whole house will change the look, but then the lights are going to stand out because they're dated.